this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing well. And so I thought I would turn on the camera and do a little update. So we are renovating our house. We're not renovating, updating. And so like we're doing a new bathroom. We're going to be doing an all new kitchen. So then I had all of these samples, like floor samples, brochures from products, and then we've bought appliances, and then I need a place to put the registration and warranty and all the information, and then my ideas, when I see ideas of how I want something, so I just have a whole bunch of stuff that doesn't go anywhere and it's just piling in a spot. So I thought, you know what, why not make a junk journal or journal keeper to keep all of my things together during the next couple of years while we're renovating, and have everything be kept in one spot. So it inspired me to find a book. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to do it ring binder style. I thought about making a spine, but then I thought no, because I want to be able to take pages in and out and add to it and things like that. So that brought me to the ring binder. So what I did is let me grab this here. So this, I got two of these. They were, they're large, very large. So they are 13 inches tall by 9.25. So this is like a children's encyclopedia book, and it's a really heavy cover. So it was the right size because product brochures and things like that are big, and so it couldn't be a small cover. So I took the book, it was already gutted out. So I just took the front and the back, and then what I did is, this is the back cover, and it's hard to find paper, because your average scrapbooking paper is 12 by 12. So what I did is, this is wallpaper. So I did the back cover with wallpaper and brought it over. So this is the back of the book. And then I was trying to find a unique cover to be on the front. Well, I have this Norman Rockwell book, and I've taken pages out of it and here and there, and it's just wonderful, and it's a huge size book. So what I did is, I'm already a step ahead because some of this is already done, and I thought, well, I'll better turn on the camera and maybe record some of this. So this is the cover that I chose. It's the plumbers, and they're in the house, and walking by the ladies, makeup stand, and squirt some perfume in the other plumber's face. I just thought this was so cute. So I made this my front cover. So I adhered this onto the cover of this children's book. And then I thought, okay, what am I going to do for the inside? Then for the inside, I have this magazine. It is House Beautiful's Building Manual. And the front cover, which is what I took off, this is the 1950s, and it is just awesome. So I took the cover and I adhered it, because the edges of the cover are all, I don't know if you can see it or not, but they're all like really ragged. So I backed it onto cardstock, to keep it all. And then I glued the whole thing onto the inside cover. So I have an inside cover and an outside cover, and then my back cover. Well, I got to looking at it. This is how it's supposed to be. So this is how I started it out. This is my front cover. This is my back. And then once I put on the magazine, the House Beautiful Building Manual magazine, I thought, I think I like this maybe even more as the cover to my journal rather than this. So I don't know. I guess I need some help figuring that out because I really do like this for my cover. So, and then this maybe for my end paper, or this way. This for my cover, and this is my end side and end cover. And then I gotta do this, the back side. So what I'm going to do is, and sorry, you can probably hear my husband working on the bathroom. So what I thought about, this is the back cover of this magazine. And so I thought, well, why not make that, you know, either like the inside end paper for the back cover. So look at this kitchen. It is so cool. And I just love it. So this is 1958, 1959 fall winter magazine. And then there's a kitchen here. But I think I like this one better. It's more retro and pretty cool. So as you can tell, it's just a little bit too short. This magazine is really big, but it's just a hair short. So I will have to back it onto cardstock. And then I'll maybe center this one and then put it on. So you'll have a little bit of cardstock here and here showing. So that's what I will do. So I'm going to trim this up and back it onto cardstock. So I need to trim this off right here. And you know, a lot of videos, I guess when I watch a video, I don't really, want to sit there and watch somebody glue on stuff and do all that. So I think I will, this is just the first step of the book. So I basically just wanted to share that all with you on this new project. And I got to thinking more about it. There are so many people doing home renovations. I thought, why not, make journals like this? So I might make a few to sell. So, it'll be great. So we'll see how it all goes. And so I'm going to put this on cardstock and then put it onto this back cover for my end paper. So then I will turn the camera back on in a little while, and I'll continue from there. So that's where I'm at. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.